welcome back to another video. So, I don't know if any of you remember these. Pack of 12 gel polish I got in one of my recent hauls. These are off Amazon. I wasn't going to do a video on these, but these are Nude jelly gel polish. I'll stick a picture up on the screen. And I'm seeing them about a hell of a lot recently. And this is a really cheap pack. The last set of gel polishes I got off this was $9.99 for 12. And I think this is round about the same price. The 8mm, let me get them all out. Right, so this is them. They come in 8mm, they are plastic bottles. They've all got numbers on the top and colours. Yeah, can you see, they're all just nude colours. And there's a couple that are slightly darker. But they're all like, yeah, nudes and pinky nudes and... But they are all jelly gels, which means they are quite transparent. I haven't got any of these at all. I have got jelly gels, but mine are bright colours. Bright colour jelly gels. I haven't got any nude ones. So I thought I'd get my swatch sticks out and get them swatched for you guys. So the numbers are not in any particular order. So I'm literally just gonna... swatch them in the order that I've put them in. So this first one looks like the black. Should I bring you in a bit? You was already quite close to start with today, weren't you? Yes, this is the black. So yeah, these are transparent. Yeah, exactly that. Transparent gels. I probably will give them 2 coats, maybe. But I'll show you what they look like after 1 coat anyway. So that's the black. Yeah, it's just a very, very transparent black, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know what to make of these. Right, so then we'll do the white. I have not got a white jelly gel. So this would probably be good for milk bath nails if you want to do it in like a gel polish design. Milk bath nails are normally done with like a milky acrylic or a milky poly gel. You could do it with gel polish with this, couldn't you? Wow, that's a very, very transparent white, isn't it? I think with these, yeah, it totally depends on the design you're doing, doesn't it? But yeah, that's definitely a jelly white. I like it. I haven't got a jelly white at all. Right, I think I'll just do one more with you, like I normally do, and I'll speed through the rest. The rest of these all look like nude beiges, nude pinks. So let's have a look at this one. Oh gosh, this is very transparent, isn't it? This is barely there transparent. Gosh. Yeah, that's super, super sheer. Super sheer. Look at that. You can barely see it. Like, barely. Right, I'm going to speed through these now, guys. And I'll come back at the end and let you know what I think of them. Right guys, that's them. All had 2 coats. I think the black and the white would have got away, would have been fine with 1 coat. They're quite strong colours. And I think this one and this one would have been fine with 1 coat. But these ones, these 4, I'd say definitely needed 2 coats, maybe 3. All depends on what look you're going for. Like, what can I use for an example? Like rose quartz nails, for example. Rose quartz nails, you want it to look, you want to build the layers up, but you don't want to build the colour up. These would be brilliant for rose quartz nails. They really would. I really like this pink, that's pretty. But yeah, it'd totally depend on the look you're going for. They are very, very sheer. But that's exactly what they're supposed to be. If you just want a slight tint on something, then yeah, they're perfect, aren't they? But yeah, that's them guys. Let me know what you think. What do you think I should do with them? I have no idea. I mean, obviously I could do a rose quartz. I think this one would be cute if I just did 1 coat. But yeah, even colours like this one and this one to go over autumn leaves and stuff. Yeah, it's all going to depend on what you're using them for, isn't it? Definitely good to have in your collection, I think, for when you need them. But yeah, I like them, I think. I think my problem is I just love bright, bold colours. So I struggle to get my head round, like, why would you want these? But yeah, it all depends on what design you're doing, doesn't it? Definitely going to be handy to have anyway, I think. But yeah, that's it guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got any ideas. I'll definitely take it on board. Anyway guys, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure your notifications are turned on as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.